Want to make sourdough? Let's make this together. I'm going to show you how to do it. Watch. Welcome, Milano family, to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. And today we're making sourdough bread with Gigi.
Let's get into it. Okay, we're going to start by, we have to have scale and your mixing bowl. You're going to start by placing the mixing bowl onto the scale, tearing it so that the weight of the mixing bowl is gone. We are going to start with 310 grams of warm water. You're going to go ahead and pour that in. And looking at the scale, you'll wait for it to get to 310. Okay. Next, we're going to grab our active sourdough starter, which was fed last night.
And it's really important you have to have the cover.
Yes.
Okay.
We are going to tear our scale and zero it out.
Okay.
We are going to add 120 grams of active starter. Here you want to be careful pouring it in because it's difficult to take it out. Perfect.
Okay, 120. Gotcha.
Next, you're going to take your sourdough whisk and you're going to whisk it until it turns into a milky consistency. You're going to go ahead and tear it again, and you're going to grab your flour. You're going to add 500 grams of bread flour. We're going to tear it again, and we're going to add 16 grams of salt. If you want, you can add the salt. 16 grams. It may seem like a lot, but in the loaf, it actually ends up being perfect. And then you're going to take your whisk, and you're going to mix it up. And then this will turn into a shaggy mixture. And now you're gonna put the shower cap over your bowl and let it rest for an hour.
Okay. Good. Back in an hour. Hey guys, we're back. So now we're going to do our first thing of stretch and fold. Let's see how we do this. What do we do?
Here, this is the first of 4 sets of stretch and fold. So let's get started. So you're gonna dig your hand underneath here.
Okay.
You're gonna pull it up. And then you're going to push it over. You're going to turn it, and now 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And then you're going to fold that in half.
And fold it over. Okay. And fold.
And then that's
the one more.
Side. All right, fold it.
And fold.
Perfect.
Okay.
And now the shower cap is back on. And this will sit for another 30 minutes.
30 minutes. See you then. All right, so this is our last set of folds, pick and folds. I'm going to take this and we're going to lift. We're going to go a little bit and fold. We're going to twist, lifting it up. It's getting really heavy. Hanging it, and fold.
So now after the last set of stretch and folds, this is going to sit on the counter for about 6 to 7 hours. It's going to have a kind of a bouncy feel to it. So when you touch it with your finger, when you see the dough rise back up, that's when you know it's ready to do your push and pull.
Okay.
We're going to cover this baby up until tonight. About 6 to 7 hours.
All right.
Bye guys.
Bye. All right, so we're back and we have the oven going. I've had the pot inside for 20 minutes and now we're going to take our bread and what are we doing?
We're going to score it with our little blade. We have our silicone pad here, which just makes it easier to put the sourdough in the pan and taking it out of the pot.
Okay.
So let's take off the shower cap and you're gonna just flip it on over.
Flip.
Perfect. Amazing.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna slice it down the middle. You don't wanna go too deep, but you wanna make sure that it's deep enough. Perfect. And then you can do like little slits here. Perfect, and then you can do it even on the other side.
Okay.
Amazing. Remove the lid.
All right, so I'm gonna have you take that because this is hot, so I'm gonna have you pop it in there if you could.
Perfect. We're going to plop it on in, letting these
down. Put the lid on.
Yep.
Okay, and we're gonna pop it into the oven.
We're going to bake it for 450 for 20 minutes and drop it down to about 430 for another 20 minutes.
I'm so excited. We'll see you in a snip.
We'll see you when the loaf is done. Bye guys.
Bye. Okay. All right, so we're back. Look at this sourdough. Come on, G, now what's up?
We are going to slice this baby in half.
It smells so good. Oh, it's perfection. It's amazing. So tell us how your sourdough is, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you
Bye,
then.
guys.
Bye.